Hello there, welcome back to the channel, the Network of Viking. Well, today we're going to take a look at this problem that you might come across when you're trying to add a custom cRLSign certificate for decryption to your secure access dashboard. And the good part is that it actually tells you that, hey, this is what is going on. This is the problem, and you need to fix it. And in both the cases, it tells you that it's enabled to add CA to secure access and tells you then afterwards that KeyUsage Extension must be marked as critical. And then KeyUsage Extension should only have KeyCertSign and cRLSign bits set. Well, let's take a look at how to fix this problem in today's video. All right, so the first thing is that this will have to be fixed by your CA, that is your certificate authority. What you need to do is this. You need to make sure that you let the CA know that when he's trying to sign the certificate, he should add the extension X509V3 key usage to it, mark it as critical, and make sure that it only has the KeyCertSign and the cRLSign bits set. Once that is taken care of, your CA will provide you the certificate. Then you can go ahead and upload that certificate and you will not see this problem again. However, if you still see the problem, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and comment. That helps a lot. You have a great time. Thank you. Goodbye.